Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to add index to the rows in Tableau. So for that I will drag order ID in row shelf, add all members, and I will drag order date in a row shelf. Then I will drag category. So now I want to add index or you can say serial number to each and every row in this view. So for that I will create a calculated field and I will name it as serial number, and then I will use a function called index, so which will returns the index of current row in each partition. Then click on OK. Keep this calculated field serial number in a row shelf. So click on this drop down and make it to discrete, and I will drag this and drop here. So now you got serial number to each and every row in this view. So similarly I will show you one more example. Let me drag category and subcategory after this in a row shelf. Now you got a serial number to each and every category in this view. Click on this drop down and click on edit table calculation. Click on specific dimensions, and at the level if I select category, then you can get index for each category. There are 3 categories, so you got 3 serial numbers. If I select subcategory, then you will get serial number for each and every subcategory. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.